friends, my name is Chirantana. We study in class 5th standard D section. Today I am going to tell speech about Science Day. The National Science Day is celebrated on 28th February in the order to mark the discover of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman. The program celebration aims to highlight the achievement of Indian scientists by Sir C.V. Raman, who won the National Nobel in the Physics in 1930. The government observed the first Science Day on 28 February in 1987. The National Council in Science and Technology Communication helps to signify introduction in according to the Science Day. We celebrate every year Science Day in our school. Thank you.
Hi everyone, Namaste. I am Shashank Preetham from 5th A, the Presidency Public School. Today I am going to do Yogasana. Yoga is a Sanskrit word. It means union of our body and soul. One Tadasana mountain pose. Stand straight on the ground. Both arms upward by interlocking your fingers and stand on your toes. Feel the stretching of body from toes to fingers. Now come to the original position with a deep breathing exhale. Balance left leg and lift your right leg. Bend your right leg, your arms over your head. Hold the position for a second. Leg and raise left hand straight. One Dhanurasana bow pose. It is a back bending asana. Balancing entire body on the lower abdomen. Lying down on your stomach. Bend your knees and hold your ankles with your palms. Lift your leg and arms as high as you can. This asana looks like a bow.
Dear spectators, good day. I am Shishira from class 5th A. I am here to tell you about my eco-friendly freezer or eco-friendly vegetable storage pot. To make this model, we will need only 3 main things, which are sand, a mud pot or a clay pot, a mud tub or a clay tub. Because of the unavailability of the mud tub or a clay tub, I am using plastic tub. For the better performance, you should use mud tub. Now let us know how to make this model. First, take a tub of your desired size and place it on a flat surface. Secondly, take a mud pot or a clay tub of your desired size. But must see to it that fits inside your tub. After the selection, keep it inside your mud tub. Thirdly, take a sand which absorbs good amount of water and fill the sand around the pot up to the brim of the pot. Next, pour enough water into the sand to make it cool. Next, keep your veggies inside the pot. Next, cover this surface with this wet cloth. Next, take a white wet cloth This model keeps the vegetables as fresh as an electric refrigerator keeps. Thank you.
Namaste everyone and happy National Science Day. Today I am going to explain a model of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a type of water harvest in which raindrops are collected and stored for future use rather than leaving it to run off. Raindrops are collected from rivers or house roofs and redirected to storage tanks, deep pits, well or boreholes. Harvested water is used for gardening, livestock, agriculture irrigation, domestic treatment, etc. I am going to explain the model. Whenever it rains, the water is collected on the rooftop. And from the rooftop, there is a pipeline which is attached to the syntax. And from the syntax, a pipeline is again attached to the well. And from the well, again the water goes from the well to the plants. There are many advantages of rainwater harvesting. It reduces your electricity bill, it reduces your water bill, it improves the quality and quantity of groundwater level, promotes water and energy conservation, is an excellent source of water for vegetable gardens. Rainwater harvesting is simple, easy to install and operate. Rainwater is used for drinking after purification. Rainwater harvesting is the oldest and simplest methods of self-supply of households' water. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, myself is Amulya and I am studying in 5th Standard D section, the Presidency Public School, Sira Tumkur district. For the Science Day today, I am going to take a topic solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. We all know that eclipse means an event that occurs in the sky. This eclipse occurs when a celestial body partially or completely hides another celestial body. And this happens when the three celestial bodies are in a straight line. The cause of eclipse: revolution of the moon around the earth, rotation and revolution of the earth around the sun. I consider this as the model of the solar eclipse. This is the sun, this is the moon and this is the earth. When the moon comes between the earth and the sun, the shadow of the moon falls on the earth. It happens during new moon day and day only. Next comes lunar eclipse. In lunar eclipse, the earth comes between the moon and the sun such that the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. It happens during the full moon day. At last, I thank my science teacher and my school management to give this opportunity.
Namaste everybody. I am Dishan Jain from 5th Standard from the Presidency Public School. I am going to explain your working model of rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means the process of collecting and storing rainwater when it runs off from the rooftops for several purposes is called rainwater harvesting. So parts of rainwater harvesting: the cloud, the rooftop, the filtration tank and the storage well. Let us explain. When the rain falls on the rooftop, it is stored in drums. These drums contain sand and charcoal for purification. This purified water is then sent to the storage well. This water is used for many uses like watering the plants, washing the dishes, bathing, drinking the animals, etc. Please adopt. This model is very essential for conservation of water. Please adopt this technology in your house. Save water. Thank you.
My name is Anusha. I'm studying in Standard B section. Today I'm going to show you some science experiment. My experiment is oxygen is necessary for the burning. The required materials for that is glass jar, plate and matchbox candle. I will show you how to do that. Take a candle and you fix into the plate and you lighted that. See here, here having a oxygen is available in here. So the candle is burning here. You can see it. Take a glass jar you take into the invertible glass and you put on a burning candle. You can see it. After some times this was not burning is stopped. Why means the here not having a oxygen. So that's why the burning candle was stopped. This experiment shows you oxygen is necessary for a burning.
Namaste everybody, myself Vishnu Siyar. I am studying in class 50. Today I will show you an experiment about air pressure. For doing this experiment, we need a boiled egg, matchsticks and a bottle. Lit 2 matchsticks and put inside the bottle. Then place the egg on top. Here again, when the matchsticks stop burning, the hot air tries to cool down and create contraction and then sucks the egg inside. You can see egg is going inside. It looks like a magical force is pulling the egg inside. You can see it, children. It's going inside. So thank you for watching my video.
Namaste everyone. Today I am going to do science activity for the science day. Dear vegetable, grains, fruit and fish and meat stickers, chat stickers, and I am pasting that into the box. Everything I pasted into the box. This is my activity and
Hi everybody, Namaste. My name is Sai Varesh. I'm studying in 5th B. My topic is solid liquid gases. In solids, the molecules are very technical. They have definite volume, they have definite shape. They cannot flow. For example, pen, table, pencil. In liquids, the molecules are loosely packed, they have definite volume, they take a shape of a container, and they flow from higher level to lower level. For example, juice, water, diesel. In gases, they are loosely packed. They can flow in all the directions. They do not have a definite volume. They do not have a definite shape. For examples, oxygen, carbon dioxide, air. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. I am Samriddhi Chaudhuri from 5th standard A section. Today I am going to make a working model of lungs. To make it, we need some things like straws, balloons, paper cutter, matchbox, candle, sellotape, scissors, nail and a plastic bottle. Then insert another straw here. Then cut the extra part. Attach 2 balloons like this. Now make a hole over here to enter the straw and cut it over here. Then secure it with wax. Then tie a knot like this and cut the balloon over here. Now tie the rubber sheet at the bottom of the bottle so that no air passes through it and secure it with tape. This is how it looks. When we pull the rubber sheet outwards, the balloon gets filled with air. When we push it inside, the balloon gets deflated. How does it work? When we pull the rubber sheet outwards, the space inside the jar is increased and the air becomes lighter. So the dense air rushes into the balloons, from outside. The air enters the tube through the opening outside the bottle and then enters the two branches of the tube and into the balloons. When we push the rubber sheet inside, the space inside the jar is reduced and the pressure is increased. This pushes the air out of the balloons. The balloons get deflated. This is how it works. Happy Science Day! Thank you!
Namaste everybody, my name is Renuka Gowda from class 5th A.
Namaste everybody, my name is Dikshit from class 5th A.
Namaste everyone, my name is Divesh Sheel from class 5th A.
We will show how it works.
When I turn the cap, water comes. When I off the cap, water stops coming. When I turn the cap, air goes inside and push the water down. That time the water comes. When I close it, that time air stops coming.
The one property occurs in this model is air occupies space. So we made this model.
Thank you.
I am Shirish from 5th A. I did a chart work of parts of a flower.
My name is Gulashri. Today I am going to do science experiment. The topic of science experiment is chemical changes. Let's see the materials we need. We need a cup of water and turmeric powder and detergent and a lemon and spoon and a cup. Let's start the experiment. Now I put the turmeric powder and I add a water. See, the color is yellow. Now I add a detergent. See, the color changes yellow into red because detergent contains sodium. So, sodium and turmeric, when they mix, the color changes yellow to red. Now, I add a lemon. See, the color is changing red into yellow. Because lemon contains citric acid, so it is so sure. Thank you guys.
My name is Niranjan Gowda. Namaste everybody. My name is Ishwant. This is wind turbine. It gives air for all living things and birds, animals and plants also. Thank you everybody for watching video.
Namaste teachers and principals. I am Sanjana. I am 5th. Today in that the rain coming. It passes to this pipe and it goes to this water tank. And also it passes through the pipe and it will go to this water tank. Its use is for animals and plants.
I am Ruchit Upadhyay. I am staying in ICSE 5th B. I am doing science experiment. First take an container and fill water. Take an unpeeled orange, put on the water. Unpeeled orange will float. Peeled orange will stay down. Thank you.